Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today I got something in the mail. I think it's something I've been waiting for, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna open it live. I have not opened this box yet, so let's see what it is. All right. I'm hoping this is something I ordered last week, but I'm not sure. So if it isn't, I won't be posting this video, but let's take a look here. The suspense is killing me. Wow, that's really stuck. Dude, what do you guys do? Do I need a key? Not using a razor blade today. Don't want to cut myself. All right, dude. What kind of box is this? Seriously. Holy cow. All right, I'm going to have to pause this. Okay, I had to get it started. So I just basically use all kinds of force open side. Is it what did I think it is? What the heck is this, guys? This is really weird. No way. It's cigars. Sorry. I thought this would be a silver unboxing video. All right, well let's make this a cigar box unboxing video. So I found this on Brad's Deals. I do like the occasional cigar, and this was like I think $24, including free shipping. So each cigar is about $2.75, which is unheard of. Here in Illinois, we have Benny's, which is probably has like this giant walk-in humidor for cigars. And last time I went in there, I bought like 2 cigars, and I spent like over 20 bucks. So here we have a nice punch. Smell it. Smells good. Joya de Nicaragua. Let me zoom in a little bit. A Flathead 554. Gusto. That'll be nice. This is like a freaking 5-pack. It's like they're all together. So what do we got here? Alec Bradley. Presonado. Alec Bradley Tempest Natural. Alec Bradley Max with 2 X's, one of them red. Alec Bradley Family Blend, the Lineage. And Alec Bradley, the Black Market. So pretty interesting. And the last cigar. El Cobre. All right. Well, kids, if you're watching, don't smoke. Smoking's bad for your health. But for someone like myself that used to smoke cigarettes a while back and I used to vape, I don't do any of that stuff now. So I enjoy the occasional cigars. Anyways, this is a really good deal. I subscribe to this thing called Brad's Deals. They had some kind of code. Normally cigars are like 75 bucks and they dropped to 58, and then it was like $24.99 if you put in their code, which was like May Brads or something like that. But I got these really fast. Like I literally just ordered these like 2 days ago, and I'm so sorry guys. I thought this would be a silver unboxing video, but it's not. It's just another hobby or habit of mine. I really thought it was going to be my silver bullet, so I was super excited. All right, well, this will be a very short video. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, thumbs up, and I am not going to do a review on each cigar. It's not that kind of channel, but just thought it'd be a funny video to post. All right, talk to you later. Appreciate it. Everyone have a good rest of your day.